So hello everyone, this is Rakshit Raj, and today we are discussing the LeetCode question number 1961, that is check if string is a prefix of an array or not. So given a string s and an array of string words, determine whether s is a prefix string or the words. A string s is a prefix string of words if s can be made by concatenating the first k strings in words for some positive k no larger than words.length. Return true if s is a prefix string of words or false otherwise. So the question wants to say is that we have been given a string s and an array words that consist of strings in it. So what we have to do, that we have to see that if we concatenate the strings of the array and check if it is equal to the string s or not. If it is equal to the string, then we can say it is the prefix of the array here. We can see in the example number 1 that the string s is I love LeetCode. The array words consist of string I, then another string love, then another string LeetCode, then it consists of another string apples, but it is not included in the you don't have to see that in the string s. So we have returned true here, as can be made by concatenating the I love and LeetCode together. Again, we can see the input here is I love LeetCode, and the words here in the words array we can see it consists of the strings apple, I love LeetCode, and since here apple is before I love LeetCode, so when we concatenate the array here, so it will not be equal to the string s here. So it is impossible to make s using a prefix of arr or array. So how can we do this question here? So it can be done simply by checking if the concatenated array is equal to the input, or we can say the string s or not. So let's move to the code parts for the clarity here. So first of all, what we'll do here is we'll have a string result which will store the resultant string. We can see the or we can say that the concatenated version of the array. So yeah, and after that we will have a for loop which will start with 0 and should be less than words dot size and increment by 1. After that, what we'll do here is we'll just concatenate the words of in the array in the resultant string. We'll write words of I. After that, after concatenating each word, we'll check that is it matching to the string s or not. So we'll write refresh equal to match s, will return true there. Again, we'll have another condition that if result.size or the size of the resultant array, resultant string is greater than s dot s dot size. If so, then we'll return false here. And at last, if it check all the cases here and it doesn't matches any of the condition, then we'll just return false at last. So yeah, that is all for the code part here. Let's see if it passes the test cases. And yes, it passes all the test cases here. I'll submit this question. And yes, it is correct. So that was all for this question. Thank you.